Hey guys, welcome back. So today we got 2011 Elantra Touring. So customer complained that she's having a problem putting in first gear. So we're gonna check this. I think I diagnosed this already because they put a new clutch, but it's the same thing. So what's going on like that? It doesn't go in properly, right? And sometimes it just goes straight to third gear. So right now that doesn't go to first gear now. Second gear is good, third, fourth, fifth, reversed. So what I do is I'm gonna go second gear first and then go first. That's so that I can just put in first gear. So I'm gonna ask someone to do a shifting here, and I will guys show you on the transmission side what's going on that mechanism there. Alright guys, so I just removed our stuff here, the battery, the airbox. So now this is what I'm talking about. Can you go first gear? First gear? So as you can see in this side here, let me point this out here. This guy, it goes up because this right now is third gear. Can you go second gear? So as you can see there, when second gear happens, this one will go all the way push down. So that's second gear. First gear will do that. Put neutral. Neutral. So this is neutral. So go first gear again. So first gear, as you can see there, there's space. Go neutral. So if I'm gonna help this guy push all the way down, it can go first gear now. So go first gear. So right now it's all going down, right? All the way down. So what I'm thinking is we got a loose cable there, but if we have a problem inside, it should not go in first gear, right? Like the fourth gear or whatever you call it. So instead of replacing this for now, because this part is $900, I called the cable. So we're gonna be replacing the cable, and let's see how work intensive is this. It should be pretty straightforward. The challenge part will be taking out the new old cable. So let's go inside the car first and remove our center console there. Okay, so we're inside the car now. Okay, I'm just gonna remove all this stuff here. So we're gonna remove the shifter nut first. I think you can just turn this if I'm not mistaken. Because our purpose right now is we're gonna remove this whole console, and then we're gonna access the cable in the shifter. So careful not to lose anything, like this piece here, the rubber. So keep it. Get that. Up. And in your glove box here, in your center console, there's gonna be 10mm bolts there. Let me just remove. There's a cover there. Okay, and you can remove 10mm. If you're wondering who's this guy here, that's my apprentice, the new apprentice from Korea.
Hi guys.
Hi guys, eh?
안녕하세요.
So, and then we're gonna remove this thing here. I don't know why I'm using my socket. Remove it. Oh, yeah. So remove that, the bottom part of your handbrake, right? And then, yeah. So, and then after that, on that side there's gonna be a screw or a 10mm. I'm not sure, but I'm just gonna remove that. Let me go. So on each side there's gonna be a screw, so you can use a screwdriver. And then we'll check if I need to remove something in here. So I'm gonna try to lift this up. I think something is still holding. Do I need to remove this? I'm not sure. I think I have to remove this. Yes? No?
Yeah.
I think so. Let's try. Let me grab my trim tool. Okay. Oh, so this piece comes out, okay? And then there's just gonna be a connection for your cigarette port there, or the power cable. Not power cable, the power port. Okay, so that's out. And there's gonna be screws, 2 screws. And I think we can remove this now. Yeah. Okay. So pull out your handbrake all the way up. Be careful. All the way up so that you can remove that center console. Now, since we're here, I think we're gonna remove also the side part, because these are cables here, these two. Let me adjust the camera. You're staying here. So we're gonna remove this first, right? It's just some safety clip there. Just use a flat screwdriver. Right? Put it aside, don't lose it. So that should come out. And the other one is the other side. Is there a clip? No? Oh man. So I guess we have to remove this. So this guy, I don't know how that's work on the other cable. Let me grab the new part. Okay, here's my new part. This one we already removed. That's the one on here. So I think the way that's positioned, that's in the middle, as you can see there, right? That's middle, so we're gonna position that in the middle. I'm just gonna follow whatever is in there so that we will not, unless this is adjustable. Oh, I didn't know that. Unless this one is adjustable, so we can pull more harder, right? Maybe we don't need a part, we're just adjusting it. So let's try that, because this one like that. So I'm gonna put this all the way here, right, so that it will have more tension. Maybe this is adjustable, because this is my first time to do it. So I'm gonna put it like that, right? That's all the way in, and then we're gonna put it, the lock there, and let's try it, shifting to first gear, if it works.
You do.
So is there this guy here? Let me grab the new part. I don't think we need the new part. That was a rookie mistake. because this is my first time to do. I do only automatic, but I didn't know that this part has an adjustable notch here, right? So we can always pop this out, right? This guy here, as you can see there, that's out on the groove. So that's out in the groove there, and then you can just push this. So that's out in the groove, and then you can just adjust it. So what happened earlier is the original was like that in the middle. So what we did is we put it all the way in, so we have more tension, and we just lock that. So now we're gonna go back to our shifter on the transmission side, and I'll show you guys while my assistant is doing the shifting for us. Okay, go first. So as you can see there, our first, that's all the way in now, right? Go neutral again, and then you go third. That's third. That's third. And then go neutral. Go reverse. So the reverse. Okay, neutral. Go first. And then go second. So the second is the same thing. Okay, which is good. And then neutral. And then third. Okay. Fourth. Okay. Fifth. Neutral. First gear. Yeah. Okay. So now I'm just gonna put everything back together, and let's see if we fix that issue by just adjusting that rod. So I'm just gonna put everything back together, and then put my airbags there, battery, and then let's see if our first gear is good now. Okay, so I put everything back together now. Moment of truth. Let's see if I can go first gear, no problem. Just good. That's good. So there's no indication here, unlike the newer cars that when you put first gear there's an indication on the cluster, but this one, okay, that's good. That's third gear, first gear. I can go in no problem. I'm just gonna put reverse. Okay, that's good. Let's do it again. Okay. Third, second, fifth, fourth, first gear again. Okay. So that's it, guys. I made the right call that there's a loose tension on that cable for the selector. I don't know what you call it, but they call it shifter and a selector, something like that. So that side of that cable is loose. So I made the right call, but I didn't know. It was my first time if I'm gonna replace a cable for a manual transmission. So it was my first time, a rookie mistake. I didn't know that there's an adjustable there on that side of that cable. So we just made an adjustment and everything works no problem. So that's it. We learn every day. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Thank you for watching.